Welcome to Kids Academy. Hi guys, I'm Michael, and this is my friend Bolly. Bolly and I love to take a walk. During our walks, a lot of interesting things happen. Maybe today something fun will come up too. We need good weather for a walk. There are lots of clouds today. They cover the sun often. How many is that? I don't know. The sky is so huge. It's hard to count them. And how many colorful dots do I have? It's hard to count them too. You jump very quickly. Well, then let's count these stones. They lie still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, they are alive. It's turtles. They are hungry. Let's pick a flower for each of them. Turtles love to eat flowers. Hey, tell us, how many flowers do we need to treat the turtles? 5, because there are 5 turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bolly, solve a problem. How many turtles stay on the shore, and how many swim in the water? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3 turtles lie in the grass, and 2 turtles are in the water. Which number is larger? There are more turtles in the grass, so I think number 3 is larger than number 2. Number 2 is not the smallest. Number 1 is smaller. There's 1 frog, and there are 2 turtles. They have more fun than the lonely frog. The frog wasn't bored for long. Now there's a whole crowd of frogs here. Right. Now there are more frogs than turtles in the stream. Because there are 4 frogs and only 2 turtles, number 4 is larger than number 2. And what if we compare all the turtles and all the frogs? Who will be more? There are more turtles. There are 5 of them, and there are just 4 frogs. Number 5 is larger. Oh, it's evening. It's time to go home. Tomorrow will bring a new day and new interesting stories. Bye, guys. See you soon.
All right, that was a little more practice with more or greater and with less today. Yesterday we practiced picking out the group that was greater. Today we're going to practice picking out the group of counters that is less than the other group. So I want you to get out your workbook page that looks like this, 2.3. We're going to do kind of the same thing we did yesterday. We're going to count the groups of counters, but today we're going to be looking for the group that has less than the other group. Give you just a minute to find your workbook page and to get your name on the top. All right, let's put our finger on the apple. First, let's count these counters, these lighter colored ones, and see how many we have. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to come down a line and we're going to make a 3. Curve to the middle, curve to the bottom. And then let's count these darker gray counters. I see 1, 2. So we're going to write a 2 on the line. We're going to curve to the right, down to the left, and across. All right, when you get your 2 written, I want you to compare these counters. Which set do you think has less, has not as many as the other set? Are there less light gray counters or less dark gray counters? You circle the number or the group of counters that you think is less. I'm going to give you just a minute to do that, and then we will check it. Which has less counters? All right, you should have circled the dark gray counters or the number 2. 2 is less than 3. If you didn't get it correct, that's okay. Just fix it now, and then we'll practice again down here by the sun. All right, let's count these light gray counters down here together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write our 5 across, down to the middle, curve like a C, backward C. Now let's count the dark gray counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to come down here and write a 4. Down to the middle, across, back to the top, big line down. When you get your 4 written, I want you to compare these two sets of counters. Which group do you think is less this time? Is it the light gray or the dark gray? Circle the number or the set of counters that you think is less than the other. All right, let's check and see how you did. You should have circled the dark gray counters again. 4 is less or fewer than 5. So you should have circled either these dark gray counters or the number 4. If you need to correct your paper, you can. If you got it right, good job. Let's turn on to the back and do a little lesson check. Now listen carefully on this first one. By the apple, I want you to mark under the number that is less than the number of counters. So let's think about this. We've got 1, 2, 3 counters. Which of these numbers do you think is less than 3 or fewer than 3? Mark under that number. Let's look at the sun. I want you to trace that number. And then I want you to mark under the set of counters that shows how many counters you would place in the 5 frame to show that number. Which of these sets shows how many counters you would need to model this number? Last one, by the leaf. I want you to count how many birds and mark under your answer. How many birds are there in that cage? Mark under the number that tells how many. All right, great job today. Tomorrow we're going to do a little more practice matching sets and thinking about which has more and which has less, and you're going to get to draw some cube trains. So we'll talk about that more tomorrow. See you later.